Here we go, laminate flooring come today. That's Shimler Oak from Wicks. It's an 8mm laminate, and there, made a start. Half of the room done. Just need a trim on there. Beadings around the outside, that's what we'll need. And look, I've levelled the floor there with this underlay stuff, and then the other underlay on top, so it all works well. Been right through at the same level now. Okay, I'll show you when we've got a bit more done. We get a bit nearer now. Most of the flooring is down now, apart from the beading. Got fire in place there now. Colour changing. Fantastic. Nice dining area here now with the grey flooring. Nothing extra going on in there apart from painting. Now we've got all the fire doors there. I think that's my job for next week. Touch mirror there. There we go, lovely. Heated towel rails on yesterday in this room and in the ensuite room. You see the flooring's down in here, that's ready for sliding wardrobes there, the base. Not sure what I'm doing with these. Either sliding wardrobe doors or ordinary wardrobe doors. There we go. The heated towel rail. And nothing going on in there. Okay, we're getting a bit closer. Here we are, back again. Getting the framework in here for the decking. It's a nice day, so crack on with it. There we go, get the decking boards later this week. Just get the framework done first. I don't think much has changed inside, apart from doors. Got all them fire doors fitted now. They just need undercoating and a top coat, and we're obviously getting a bit nearer. Happy days. We've got most of this decking framework in place now. Just done with this Wicks balustrade. Quite easy. You just fit these brackets at the bottom. Cut this length to size the bottom rail. Put the top put the top handrail in place, and then underneath fit the same bracket. Holds it all in. It will look pretty effective. I'll put another one here as well. Here's the decking boards. We've had some nice weather, so making some good progress on this side garden. Maybe that will be completed today. Got all the stones in here, stepping stones. And as we go out here, this courtyard's been given a lick of paint. It's obviously not finished yet, but looking a bit brighter. That's where the surf store is going, across there. Okay, back outside and must crack on. Here we are, we're into summer. Made a bit more progress, but not done as much as I would have liked to have done. Got all the beadings on in this room. Fit most of the heaters. Still got to bead all this area. Bathroom's looking good. More or less done in there now. Shower screen up. Another heater there. Not done anything in there yet. Couple of new light fittings there. Sliding wardrobe door kit is there, just ready for me to sort out. And just finishing off in here. Sealed all the shower in now, sealed all this in. Just on with this box in this area around here. Grouted them few towels at the bottom. Wardrobe's kind of done. Just need some suitable handles on there. Got clothes rail and shelf above. Okay, happy days. Apart from the weather. Apparently there's a storm on the way. It's just started pouring down. Yeah, I keep forgetting to bring the camera, but I'm here now. Maybe you'd not seen this decking platform done. I can't remember if I filmed it before. Probably not much changed here, apart from having a chair there to sit on and look out onto the beach. This room is finished. This room isn't started yet, obviously. Probably my job next week. This room is more or less finished. Got the sliding wardrobes in there. Somewhere to hang your clothes as well on both sides. Yes, more or less done. Still need to put the beading on the laminate. Still need to finish that off. Not really much to do in there now. Let's go outside. Let's have a look what I've been up to. There we go. That's not far off finishing now. That's the what I call the surf store. Just put that window in this morning. All I've done, built a timber frame and cladded it. So just providing somewhere to put the surfboards, etc. And up there, I'm just going to lower a ceiling up there just to hide all that pipework. Right, there we go. I'll get on with that and show you some more soon.